Got your first $100 and don't know what to do with it? Most people waste it. You won't, not after this video. Welcome to Wealth Made Simple, where we break down money topics into clear, simple actions. Today we're talking about one small amount, just $100, and how it can start your journey toward financial freedom. Section 1. The common mistake. Let's be real. Most people spend their first $100 on fast food, video games, or stuff they forget in a week. But what if that money could grow? What if it could work for you? Section 2. Smart move. Invest in yourself. The best investment? You. Use your $100 to buy a book on money or mindset. Enroll in an online course. Learn video editing, copywriting, or digital marketing. Skills that pay for life. Section 3. Smart move. Start investing. You don't need thousands to start investing. With just $100, you can buy fractional shares of index funds or ETFs through apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance. It's not about the return today, it's about building habits that last a lifetime. Section 4. Build income. You can even use $100 to make more money. Buy secondhand items and flip them. Invest in tools to start a side hustle, or start your content journey, like a YouTube or TikTok channel, just like this one. $100 won't make you rich, but it can start a rich life. It's not how much money you have, it's how you use it. Start smart, start small, start now. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone holding their first $100. Let's build wealth, one simple step at a time.